And now this is at t equals 0. Let it be at rest. Or if you want, you can bring initial velocity. I'll give like this. So look at the power which is acting is a function of time. So by the time, after some time t, I'm asking you some parameters like the power expression for the velocity. At x equal to 0, it will be initially, and it will cover a distance s. Now again, what is the basic definition? Power equal to f into v. Power equal to p naught t square. What is f? F should be, I'll write one more step. F equal to mav. So p naught t square m dv by dt. This one. Let me simplify this. P naught by m t square dt v dv. Let's put the limit. At t equals 0, initial velocity u. And at any time t, let v be the velocity of the block. So then simplifying this will become p naught t cube by 3m. Shall I write directly? Integral of t square t cube by 3. So this should be v square by 2 uv. So p naught t cube by 3m. This will be v square minus u square by 2. We wanted expression for v. So this should be 2 p naught t cube by 3m plus u square. Okay, this is the expression for the speed of the block at any time t. What about the position? I think here I'm going to write m dv by ds, but you see this here there's a function of time is there, no? So if you want to what happen, you can you have v as a function of time, then this you write ds by dt, replace s there. You have to manage with mathematics here, nothing big. What is average power? Delivered, because there's the instantaneous power. What about the average power? I want average power. How to calculate average power? 0 to, in an interval of time, let it be capital T. So P instantaneous or P dt by 0 to dt. What is value? The P is P naught t square dt. Integral of dt, substituting upper and lower limit, will be this much. So this will be P naught t cube by 3 by t. So what is capital T? The interval of time. So T, what capital T, what you can write? Interval of time. What is the average power delivered by this applied force in an interval of time t? Okay, now can we know average power. Can we calculate the work done by this in an interval of time t? Because what is the basic idea of the average power? Average power, what we write? Work done by time taken in that interval of time t. There's a basic thing. No? So what is the average power? P naught t square by 3. So what is work done will be P average into t. So this should be P naught t cube by 3. So what is work done by this agent in an interval of time t if they ask you? So directly what happened? You calculate the average power, and average power, you know, work done by the interval of time or the time taken. You'll get the work done. So they'll give power as a function of time. They'll ask you to calculate work done. Or directly you can calculate the average value. I think the same mathematics is what I'm just following, because what is the P average? dw by dt. Oh, sorry, P instant is dw by dt. P average is what? W by t, that one. So how to calculate average? There's a method. So here, what is the power? Power can be constant, can vary with the time. Sir, how do you produce such a power? how to that power as a function of time.